This video will introduce you to the form and button fields available for creating apps using the ViziApps Studio. The most basic field type is the label field. Label fields allow you to add one line of text anywhere in your app and are great for naming page titles, data input fields, or providing instructions. When you click to add a field, a properties box appears. First, give your field a unique internal name. Every item in a ViziApps app needs to have a unique name that is used to keep everything straight when working with form fields and transferring data. Now, enter your text, choose a font, size, and color, and click Insert Label. Once you've inserted an item into your app, you can click and drag to position and resize it. All of the fields shown in this video can be resized by dragging the right or bottom sides, or by dragging the bottom right corner. A text field allows your app's users to enter one line of text into the app. Once you name the field, you can give it a default value, choose to hide the text as if it's a password, and choose the type of keyboard your users will see. If you want to be able to enter more text into an app, choose a text area instead. This will create a larger text box where people can type multiple lines of text. Text areas are also useful for displaying your own text or showing the output of some other process. If you're using the text area for display, you can make it non-editable. Make sure you make text areas large enough to accommodate the amount of text you think users will enter, so they don't have to scroll too much. Adding images to your app is very simple. You can choose from an extensive set of built-in icons and colored header bars, upload your own, choose from images you've used in the past, or simply enter the URL of an image you'd like to use. Images are inserted at their original size, but can be easily resized and positioned in the canvas. Buttons let users start actions and do computations. To add one, click Button, give it a name, then type the text you'd like to appear on the button. You can choose the button color, the text color, font, and size, and choose what you'd like the button to do. Buttons can start a number of actions, including going to any page, going to the previous page, interacting with a web data source, calling a phone number, sharing messages in social media, emailing a message, sending a text message, or taking a photo. In addition, if you want to change the values of some variables or do some math, you can check Compute Among Fields. Using this box, you can assign one field value to another, even on other pages, do arithmetic, get the current date and time, play audio, or show a web page. The Help button to the right explains the details of all of these options. An image button is an image that acts like a button when tapped. So its properties are a combination of the image and button settings. Just specify an image, select an action, and choose whether you want it to do any computation. Then insert and place the image. Switches give users an on-off, true-false, or yes-no choice, and can be used to trigger actions and computations just like buttons. Choose the switch type, set the default value with a click, and set up an action or computation, then insert and position your switch. Checkboxes give the same kind of choice as switches, but have a different look. Their properties are very similar, with a default value and button-like actions, so it's really just a matter of which one fits better with your app's design. Sliders let users choose from a range of values. Simply name your slider, insert the maximum and minimum values, and insert it. Hidden fields let you add some additional data to a function, or temporarily store data for use by another field. They can also hold a response from a data source. Hidden fields won't be visible to your app's users. The default value can either be text or some device information like the device ID. When used to store data, a hidden field can store either one value or an array of values. Add some fields to a template app to see how they work, then start using them to build your own apps. For more help with app creation, check out the other tutorials at ViziApps.com.